To integrate a Zopa savings account, start by understanding what Zopa is. Zopa is a peer-to-peer lending company that also offers savings accounts with competitive interest rates. Integrating a Zopa savings account into your financial routine can be a great way to earn interest on your savings. First, you need to open a Zopa account. This can be done online by going to the Zopa website and following the sign-up process. You will need to provide some personal details and proof of identity. Once your account is open, you can start the integration process. The next step is to link your existing bank account to your Zopa account. This will allow you to transfer money into your Zopa savings account. To do this, you will need your bank account details and you may need to set up a direct debit. After your accounts are linked, you can start transferring money into your Zopa savings account. You can do this online or through the Zopa app. It is a good idea to set up a regular transfer to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. It is also important to understand how Zopa savings accounts work. Zopa offers a range of savings accounts with different interest rates and terms. Some accounts are easy access, which means you can withdraw your money at any time, while others are fixed term, which means your money is locked in for a set period. To get the most out of your Zopa savings account, it is a good idea to read and understand the terms and conditions. This will help you to avoid any potential pitfalls and make the most of your savings. In terms of best practices, it is a good idea to start small and be consistent with your savings. Even small, regular transfers can add up over time and help you to reach your savings goals. It is also a good idea to take advantage of any bonuses or promotions that Zopa may offer to new customers. Overall, integrating a Zopa savings account into your financial routine can be a great way to earn interest on your savings and reach your financial goals. By following these steps and understanding how Zopa savings accounts work, you can make the most of your savings and achieve financial success.